What's up guys, Major here and welcome to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add movies to your iPhone with iTunes. So what you have to do is you have to get the movie that you want to add to your phone. This does not require to add the movie to your phone does not require an internet connection. All you got to do is you have to connect your phone to the PC via the USB cord, and then iTunes will detect the phone. You can see it's detected my phone, and that's it. So once it's detected the phone, then you drag in the movie, you drag the film or the movie that you want to add to your iPhone, and then all you have to do is drag and drop or add file to library. Then when you are done, just click on it, then drag it to the phone. When you drag it to the phone, it's gonna sync the movie to the phone. So guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is a very short tutorial on how you can add movies or short films to your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and share this video to your friends if they may be. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I love you guys. Angel out.